engineered the GreensPro 1260 to provide the smoothest putting surface. In addition, it is also comfortable for the operator to use, easy to maintain, and highly productive. Is the smoothing heads. On our smoothing heads, we utilize stainless steel rollers. This has exceptional wear characteristics and it minimizes the corrosion. We also have split rollers. That allows great smoothing over undulations and also minimizes scuffing when you're turning. The smoothing heads also overlap. This minimizes or eliminates any unrolled surface during the process. Access for cleaning the rollers. All of this reduces the potential for contamination on the greens of grease, and we've eliminated the chain and the sprocket, which require daily maintenance, another potential source for contamination of the greens. Additionally, we removed the sight glass on the hydraulic reservoir and replaced it with a dipstick. Even though the GreensPro 1260 is heavy on the greens, half of what some of our competitors have. Additionally, the tongue moves 60 degrees, where some of the competitors have to go over the seat 120 degrees. We've also incorporated a foot-activated switch for latching, so you don't have to bend over. Also, we've incorporated a latch, which is activated with a single hand for attaching to a vehicle. This minimizes the amount of vibration going up through the frame to the operator, minimizing the amount of fatigue that the operator experiences. We've also incorporated a steering column that has 40 degrees of movement forward and aft. This allows for easy placement of the steering column relative to the operator position. The seating also moves bidirectional so that the operator can find a perfect thing. We have is our foot-operated controls. They move forward and back as opposed to up and down, making it a much more natural position and movement for the operator to run the GreensPro 1260. So there you have it, the GreensPro 1260, providing exceptional smoothing for the truest of greens. It's easy to operate, easy to maintain,